Welcome back to the channel, where the road meets comfort and innovation lives on wheels. If you're passionate about freedom, minimalism, and exploring the great outdoors in style, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of the 2026 Tennessee Mini Tiny Camper House, a rugged, stylish, and cleverly designed off-grid living solution built for the modern nomad. Let's dive right into what makes this tiny camper a true powerhouse on wheels. At first glance, the 2026 Tennessee Mini Tiny Camper House commands attention with its sleek, boxy silhouette wrapped in weatherproof composite panels. The matte finish exterior is not only visually striking but also built to withstand extreme weather, from the dusty backroads of the Southwest to the rainy forests of the Pacific Northwest. The unit is compact enough to tow with a midsize SUV or light-duty pickup, but don't let the size fool you. This camper is packed with features that redefine small space living. The entry is through a high-clearance, reinforced steel door that opens up to a smartly configured living space. Step inside and you're greeted by warm, natural wood accents, LED lighting throughout, and panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The insulation has been upgraded for 2026, making this camper fully capable of four-season living, whether you're off the grid in snowy mountains or boondocking in the desert. To the right of the entrance, you'll find the cozy lounge area that doubles as a dining nook. The cushioned bench seating hides generous storage underneath, while the swivel table adjusts in height and position. By night, this space converts into a compact sleeping zone. But the real magic happens above. The Tennessee Mini comes with a loft-style queen bed accessible by a collapsible ladder, offering a separate sleeping area that maximizes the vertical space and keeps the living area open and uncluttered. The kitchenette is designed with off-grid practicality in mind. It features a deep stainless steel sink, a 2-burner propane stove, and a 75-liter fridge-freezer combo that runs on solar or shore power. With a surprising amount of cabinet space and overhead compartments, meal prep is easy, even in remote areas. A built-in water filtration system connects to the 40-gallon onboard tank, giving you access to clean drinking water no matter where you're parked. Next to the kitchen is the fully enclosed wet bath. Despite its compact footprint, it's one of the highlights of the 2026 Tennessee camper. The waterproof walls, high-efficiency water-saving shower head, and cassette toilet with odor lock tech make off-grid hygiene easy and eco-friendly. There's even a ceiling vent fan for added ventilation and moisture control. When it comes to power, this camper doesn't hold back. It's equipped with a 600-watt solar panel array mounted on the roof, paired with a 400Ah lithium battery bank and a 3000W inverter. This setup easily supports lights, appliances, a fan, and even a mini AC unit in moderate climates. For extended cloudy days, there's also a shore power hookup and optional generator input. Let's talk heating and cooling. The 2026 model comes with a diesel heater that's quiet, efficient, and safe for enclosed spaces. It circulates warm air throughout the cabin with almost no noise, making chilly nights comfortable. For hot summer days, there's a roof-mounted fan system and insulated blackout blinds to help keep things cool. On the outside, utility meets versatility. The camper includes an outdoor shower hookup, a fold-down prep table for outdoor cooking, and rugged all-terrain tires with reinforced fenders. There's also a rooftop rack system for kayaks, bikes, or additional cargo storage, and a side awning that deploys in seconds to create a shaded outdoor living space. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the 2026 Tennessee Mini Tiny Camper House is how it brings off-grid living to a wide audience. It's designed to be easy to maintain, relatively affordable compared to full-sized RVs, and modular enough to customize. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time traveler, or someone preparing for total self-sufficiency, this camper offers a perfect balance of mobility and comfort. Everything about this design reflects smart engineering and a deep understanding of how people live on the road today. From its eco-friendly build materials to its space-saving furniture and robust power system, the Tennessee Mini proves that living tiny doesn't mean sacrificing convenience or beauty. If you've ever dreamed of simplifying your life, reducing your footprint, and gaining the freedom to go anywhere on your terms, this might be your perfect match. It's not just a camper. It's your home on wheels, your base camp, your getaway cabin, all in one. Thanks for joining us on this full tour of the 2026 Tennessee Mini Tiny Camper House, the ultimate off-grid living solution. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our latest camper tours and off-grid living tips. Got questions or want to see more builds like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep chasing the road, keep living free, and stay inspired. See you in the next adventure.